In today's video, I'll show you how to activate WooCommerce in WordPress and get your online store ready to go. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand menu, go to Plugins and click Add New. In the search bar at the top, type WooCommerce and look for the official plugin developed by Automatic. Click Install Now, and once it's finished, click Activate. Activation is essential because it turns on WooCommerce and lets you start setting up your store. After activation, you will be guided to the WooCommerce setup wizard. This handy tool walks you through adding store details, payment options, and other key settings. You can follow it step by step or skip sections and return later. And that's it. WooCommerce is now active, giving you the tools to manage products, payments, shipping, and more. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more WordPress tips.